Slim here, and today we're going to be installing frame sliders. And the one in particular I have right here is the Shogun on my Z650. And the tools you would need is a 14 hex head to take off these bolts, to take out the stock bolts that comes with the frame sliders. For like the frame slider bolts, you're gonna need 8mm hex head to fit on your 3/8 inch torque wrench. We have our torque wrench, and it's set to 32 foot-pounds, which is what I got from the manual to reinstall those bolts. And also on those bolts that goes with the frame sliders, I'm also gonna put some blue Loctite just to kind of give a little bit more extra hold. Not red, blue, because I may want to take and change my frame sliders down the road. So I'm gonna go with the blue instead of the reds. First, we're gonna start on the side with the rear brake, and this is like gonna have the shorter side goes on the side with the rear brake. And when you're doing this, do not take out both bolts at the same time, because if you do, your engine may sag. Oh! So want to take out one at a time. If you want to take out both at a time, make sure you put a jack stand or something to brace the engine right here, because if not, it'll fall. Not fall, but it'll sag. You don't want that, because that's a whole different headache. All right, so now we're gonna have our 14. We're gonna take off this bolt right here. All right, so as you see right here, this is where like the bolt sits. So while I'm turning from this side, that bolt is gonna come loose. So that's what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna unloosen it. Gonna finger hold it, and we're gonna just pull it straight on out, just like so. And there we have it. The bolt is out. Gonna take that nut and just slide it right on out. And that's the first one. Now we have the new bolt. We're gonna put a little bit of blue thread lock on it. Just a little bit. You don't need a whole bunch. Oh crap! Look at me being dumb. All right, so that's all we need. Just a little bit. I kind of put a little bit too much. All right, so now we're gonna have the short one. Gonna thread it with the washer on. So yeah, make sure you put the washer on this end. Gonna slide it through. Then have a Loctite on, blue, not red. Gonna slide it in just like so. And it's gonna be on the opposite side. So we're gonna take the nut that came with the frame slider kit back inside that same hole, just to get it started. All right, so we're gonna take our 8 Allen hex head socket and put it in there just to get the thread started on that side. All right, got it started. We're gonna just tighten it down just a little bit by hand. And it will spin, and that's fine. All right, cool, so now we're going through the threads. So that's when you know you have a good set. And you see how it's on there now, but it's not torqued down. But I'm gonna show you the actual backside to see how it looks. As you see right here, the bolt is going through. So now the only thing we can do now is to torque it down to make sure that it's at spec. And the torque that you want to have it at is 32 foot-pounds. But to torque this bad girl down. All right, so I have my torque wrench, that bad girl on. Gonna slide her in there. So we're gonna crank her down to 32 foot-pounds. I already have her set, and we're gonna keep going until we hear the click. All right. We're all good. This side is torqued down. Now we're gonna install the long one on the shifter side. Now we're gonna install the long side on the shifter side. First thing I gotta do is unloosen this bolt from here. And remember, only do one side at a time. I'm telling you. Trying to save y'all that headache. All right, so I gotta reach behind the back. So you see the nut right here? That's the one that we're loosened, so I'm gonna hold on to it until it comes out. All right, so we kind of ran into like a little issue, but it's a fine fix. If this bolt is having a hard time coming out, if you have a Allen set, the best thing you can do is come behind here and put it in that hole. because the bolt had came off, but the screw is still in. So we have to kind of push that bolt out. So take a Allen, come behind where it sits, and we'll have to just push it out. Push it out and turn at the same time to get this bad boy out. Comes out, and there we go. All right, cool. So now we're gonna take some blue Loctite. Gonna put a little bit on there, just a little dab. Cool, that's all we need. Now we're gonna take our bolt with our washer, straight through the long side. Gonna put it through here. So it may be kind of, there we go. Just gonna slide it all the way through. And if you have to, get your socket wrench, kind of like nudge it in, because it has to get through this hole on the shaft. So I'm gonna take our nut, put it on the back to make sure we thread through. And this will spin, so don't worry about that. So we're gonna keep tightening down so we feel good. Gonna keep going, cool. Now after it's set, as you can see right here, we have our thread going through, which we want to see. Now we're gonna torque this bad boy down. Gonna grab our torque wrench with our 8M Allen head. Put on the torque wrench. We're still at 32 foot-pounds. Okay, sorry, like the flash. All right, so we're gonna put it in our torque wrench, make sure we're on tighten. And one thing that I want to tell you, never loosen things with your torque wrench because you will throw it out of spec. So let's put it in there and we'll just torque her down. And me personally, I love to get 3 clicks, so we'll get a few more just to be safe. Okay. Cool, there you go. That side's installed. This is the like soft side is installed. All right, so we have this one installed, all nice and on there. We have that side installed. And this is how she looks from the front. You can see the long one on this side, the short one on this side. And that's a done deal. And we have the bolts right there. That one is torqued down. That one is torqued down, the one right here. And this one is torqued down, the one back there. So we're all good. And I call that a done deal. The Shogun frame sliders on the Kawasaki Z650. That's all I have for now, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.